Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a park or garden in your city. You should say when you go there, where it is, who you often go there with, what it is like, and explain why you like to visit. So, this question is asking you to describe a park or a garden. So, say for example, if you are living in a big city, or maybe you have a famous park, maybe if you are staying in Nainital, you can talk about Jim Corbett Park, or maybe if you are from Kolkata, you can talk about Eco Park, or maybe about the Rock Gardens if you are staying in Chandigarh, right? But what about if you're not from any of these cities? Then you can just describe a local park or any park that is in your city, so you don't have to fall short of ideas, right? Because the question is not actually checking your knowledge or facts about a particular park or garden, but it is checking if you can actually explain or elaborate a particular park or garden that is there in your city, if you are giving relevant elaboration or not. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Parks provide intrinsic environment, aesthetic, and recreation benefits to cities, and today I would like to talk about my local community park which I visit usually in the evenings. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I live in Kolkata and there are ample number of green spaces in my city, and this park is amongst one of them and is only a 5-minute walk from my home. Additionally, I go to this park with my cousin after returning from college to refresh my mind and de-stress myself from my hectic schedule. So hectic means busy. Also, we have answered the first three questions, which is when you go there, where it is, and who you often go there with. The last two questions, which is what it is like and explain why you like to visit, still remains. So let's answer that. Furthermore, this park is well maintained, hosts a wide variety of floral species, and also has a fountain in the center, making it all the more attractive. So instead of using it has a wide variety of floral species, we used a better vocabulary word which is hosts. Floral species simply means flowers. So again, we used a better vocabulary word here as well. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, it features a separate kids' play area, has benches installed at short distances, and provides a distinct track for walking and bicycling, making it safe and convenient for all age groups. So, installed means there are benches which are present at short distances, and distinct means a separate track for walking and bicycling. Alright, so the last question, which is explain why you like to visit, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I like going to this park as I can practice yoga and meditation amidst the fresh and clean environment, enhancing my cardiovascular health while at the same time rejuvenating my mind and body in the tranquil surroundings. So, enhance means to improve. Cardiovascular health is related to your heart, and tranquil means something which is very peace, calm, or quiet. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, because these will enhance your band scores for your lexical resources part later on. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.